Hi everyone, I'm Cecil. I'm getting a lot of questions regarding the recent market crash. People are asking, it is hard-earned money. Should you continue to invest in Indian equity market? It's a real tough time. You're all going through that. If you look into the questions I face, I've lost a lot of money because my portfolio is in deep red, 20% minus 20%, minus 30%. Yes. Whether I should sell all these stocks and whether I should exit from the stock market. Will the equity market bounce back? Is it worth continuing investing in Indian equity market? What about my SIP? Whether I should stop my SIP, whether I should pause it or continue to invest in my SIP? I've started my investment in 2017-18. May I book my profit? These are the questions I face. If you look into the market story of the Bombay Stock Exchange from 1979 to 2019, 40-year market story, you can see that it has grown from, it was in April 3rd, 1979, it was 1.124.15, and it has grown to 39,000 in 2019. That's in 40 years. And in between, a lot of issues. Harshad Mehta scam, Indo-Pak war, there was Iran-Iraq war was there, and a lot of issues globally and in India. But it managed to compound at a rate of 15.8%. Cecil, this is a pass-through. Will it continue to grow in this space? I still believe the growth story of India remains intact. India is going to have the beautiful years to come. All the macroeconomic data is in favor. And all these international issues are transient, and we will recover and we shall overcome. If you look into the past returns of many good stocks, say for example, Bajaj Finance is one of the consistent compounders which have given as cumulative annual growth rate of 51.4% in the last 10 years. One of the consistent compounder in equity market in the last 10 years. And we know that in 5 years back, the stock price of the Bajaj Finance was 1,200. And before the market crash in March 2020, it was trading at the 4,400 rupees per share. And it's from there, it crashed in March 2020 to 1,800 rupees per share. It was a dramatic fall. And everyone thought that, okay, it is not worth investing in Bajaj Finance. It is a NBFC stock. It is one of the best NBFC. I consider it as a consumer tech company, one of the best tech companies in India. If you look again from there, 1,800, it became 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. It reached up to 8,000 rupees per share. Now from there, it has crashed to around 5,500 rupees. And now the biggest question is that, okay, you can see that there is a lot of volatility, but over a period of time, we will overcome and it will give you very good returns. So a person who has sold his shares at this period would have regretted when the market price became 8,000 rupees per share in Bajaj Finance. And this is applicable for many good companies. I will give you another example. This is a Deepak Nitrate, again by a specialty chemical company. It's a mid-cap company. And in 5 years back, the market price was at around 180. And it went up to 3,000 rupees. And it crashed from there to the present level of 1,850 rupees per share. It is again, if you look into long term, again, it has given very good returns. This is a negative trend over the last 3, 4, the last 1 year, sorry, in the last 6 months period. But it will rebound. There is no need to be panic in these good stocks. So this is a time where you need to understand that the Indian equity market is at a discount sale. Market is on a discount sale. So if there is a discount sale, offer sale in Flipkart or Amazon, what you will do? You will go purchase things. You will try to buy new mobile phones, laptop, or these things which you need for your home. The same way, the equity market is on a discount sale for maybe next 1 year. This is the right time to accumulate good stocks. Now, what I suggest is to form a basket and invest in good stocks every month. So you form a stock SIP portfolio and invest in good stocks. Good stocks means monopoly business, the companies which have purchasing power. There is a moat business, there is a barrier to entry, and which has good fundamentals like good ROE, return on equity, return on capital employed. The patient companies who have good revenue growth, good sales growth, and profit growth, and the patients who have, the companies which have the good free cash flow. The companies who really reinvest in their business will do well in the future. In the future, there will be a differentiation between men and boys. The companies with good fundamentals will survive. Otherwise, the other companies will struggle to exist in the future. So find out good companies in this. You be with the sector leader, and if you want to invest in a particular sector, be with the sector leader, with the companies with good corporate governance. Then form a basket, and this is the best time to accumulate high quality stocks for long term. And buy on every dip. This should be the strategy. And always you should think that the equity investment is not for short term. It is always for long term. And in the long term, it will reward you. It will reward you and you will make insane amount of money. Definitely it will bounce back. The biggest thing is in this 1 year, we should all have good patience. Patience is the key. Always try to accumulate good stocks and remain silent. And this is the best strategy for the next 1 year. Never stop your SIPs. That's one of the important things I want to mention. You try to invest more in this period. Never stop or pause your SIP. That is one of the important things, because the market is again coming down. Okay, no, I'm not investing because I feel shaky. I feel panic. I'm losing a lot of money. All the returns are in negatives. No, never think so. You continue to invest and continue to, you should not stop your SIPs. The questions are one, I have lost a lot of money, whether I should exit. No, absolutely no. You keep and hold fundamentally good companies, try to accumulate more. Why invest? Why equity market is not picking up? There are many reasons out there. And this will continue for another 1 year. Will market will bounce back? Definitely it will bounce back. Okay, but it will take some more time. Please give some time. And this is the best time because you can accumulate more high quality stocks. Is it worth investing in stock market? Without investing in equity market, you cannot beat inflation in India. Okay, only in the investment strategy where you can beat inflation is equity, investing in stock market, either through direct stock investment or through a mutual fund. Okay, investing is worth investing in stock market. Continue to invest. Without investing in stock market, you cannot beat inflation. Otherwise, eventually you will lose your purchasing power. May I stop investing in equity market? Never do that. Always you continue to do your SIP. May I book your profit? Okay, 2017, 2018 investors may have good returns in 2022. Whether we should pay a book profit. If you have achieved your goal and you need money, definitely you do that. Otherwise, my simple advice will be to hold for another 1 or 2 year period. Thank you very much for your patience. So if you have any queries, you can email me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Thank you very much. And we shall overcome. Be positive, never be pessimistic. Okay, all the equity investment is for long term. And you try to find out good companies and they are likely to give you compound. Most important thing is that never forget about the power of compound. This is the greatest innovation that human ever has produced. So never forget about the power of compound. It's small drops that makes a big ocean. Be patient, we shall overcome, and continue to invest in buy on every dip and never stop your SIP. Thank you very much for your patience.